What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's of course that next day's vlog now. Like I said, I'm about to start off this day with hopping in the pool, so here we go. Check out this beautiful view. I also have to tour apartments today, like I said, or hotels at least, so stay tuned for some apartment tours. If that's why you clicked, it's coming soon. But yeah, I'm about to hop in the pool today before I worry about the stresses of the world, so let's go, bro. I haven't jumped in a pool in maybe over a year, but I want to start off this video talking about how I can afford to be out here in Da Nang. If you don't already know, I have a sports bets and stock trades Patreon community that's linked in the description for you guys to join if you want to join. That's one of my sources of income. A second source of income that I have is music streams from Apple Music and Spotify, because I'm also a rapper. So yeah, my second source of income is music streams. So yeah, that's my two main sources of income, guys, and that's how it's possible for me to be out here. So I booked a one-way ticket to Da Nang, and I don't have a return to America flight booked because I have remote income set up, and I'm just gonna keep building it, God willing. So I appreciate y'all watching, and yeah, just chase y'all dreams, you know, explore the world. It could all be possible. You just gotta be consistent and confident, guys. So yeah, let's keep moving this day forward, and let's see some apartments real soon. All right, guys, I'm outside now, starting my apartment tour series. Let's see what I can find. I'm down to move into something today. At the latest, I want to be moved into something by tomorrow, because I got like 6 suitcases that only have somewhere to sleep tonight. That's the last night they got somewhere to sleep. So I'm trying to find it today or tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Let's figure this out. Here goes a hotel that has apartments. They go up pretty high. Let's see what they got. Garage right there. So this is how much?
This is the 7 million for one person and 8.5 million for two.
Okay. So they banking on you not being a couple. So 7 million for one person. Yeah, they want the price for the area. Okay, another unit. Got a little spot right there. It's a double bed. Okay, it's definitely dirty. Okay, they got a door for the shower. I need a kitchen, guys, so I'm not gonna be choosing nothing here, but here's perspective for you guys. Double bed. This has some dirty walls. Yeah, another warmer right there. View out the window. And this is 8.5 million?
Yeah, for 2 people? Yeah, for 2 people.
Yeah, this is robbery, guys, but here we go. All right, guys, this is the next apartment. Salutan. Garage in there. This is 8 million, guys. Got a closet right here. Closet, dining table, bed, fridge, kitchen. Shower doesn't have a door, which I prefer. Washing machine, city view. I want a door right there. These walls are just a little dirty, guys. And here's the view out the balcony, guys. So this is 8 million, not including water and electricity. Yeah, I don't want this one.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, guys, here goes one for 8 million. I may do this one. This one room.
This is the wash and grind machine.
Both.
And
TV
this
right
position we will apply by a big fridge.
Big fridge.
The big one. Yeah, before you move it. Position also have an induction and a microwave.
Induction and a microwave. Okay. We'll have a stove right there, microwave right here. Closet. Does it slide?
Yeah, slide door.
Nice. Nice. Slides with a mirror. That's the view.
For the bed, it's really convenient for 2 people because this one is a super king size.
The restroom.
Yeah.
Dang, it's definitely not a lot of space. Okay, guys, here goes an apartment. Not bad, not bad. The shower has does it slide? It don't even slide. It's not bad though. Got a TV. I don't like the smell in here. Bed.
We have another with balcony and with view. Okay, you want to see it?
Okay, so here goes a closet. It's just a little dirty and a little stinky and no view, but I'll do this if I know I have to.
People living in Northwest looks Hispanic. It looks like
Got a refrigerator. The walls are like it's a little dirty, y'all.
It look like Laos. Laos? Yeah, because it's with the border. The same.
It's a little dirty, you know what I mean? A little dirty.
Like the Laos people.
Do they have a bum gun? Yeah, they got a bum gun. Okay. How much V&D?
4.9.
4.9
Yeah.
here.
This one is. Yes. Later, like.
TV, red couch. It's a lot of colors going on.
Oh, they finished.
It's a view outside.
They're now setting up.
So this is the unit, guys. 5.3. 5.3.
Yes.
Closet.
Very good price. Amazing price. Yes. You can never find.
In this area, it's kind of like for a girl without a man. It's a lot of colors. We don't have private washing machines, so this won't be it. Okay, guys, here goes the next apartment. It's nice. Washing machine?
Yes.
Washing machine. Okay, you hang dry, okay. View right there from the balcony. TV right here. Okay, only one TV, one closet. Here's the kitchen, guys. There's the view out of the kitchen. And then, and then the restroom is just a little too small. Guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep on walking deeper into the locals areas. I'm not gonna force this stuff just to be in this nice area. Yeah, I'll go get something nice that's not in the touristy areas if I have to, because I want space. I don't want to feel too tight. This one just kind of feels tight. Everything is really small. So they got a lot of stuff in here though, but it's just really small. And there's still actually not a lot of suitcase space. Okay, so how much is this V&D?
7 million.
So this place is 7 million, guys. A little too much, a little too small. On to the next. Okay, guys, here goes another apartment building. Okay. Not bad, but it stinks in here. It was way cleaner in the video. This is what it looks like though. 2 burners, a bed. You got a view of that street. I don't know if there's a lot of construction on that street. Do got a closet, bed. The wall is wall is dirty. AC unit, cool. Okay. Somebody lives here still. Washing machine, fridge. Okay. All right, that's this place. How much is this?
7.2.
7.2. So this is 7.2 million, guys. Dining table right there. Couch right there. Let me see the restroom. This place is just a little too dirty. I wanna feel like something just got built.